Alloy solves risk problems for financial services companies, in particular banks and fintechs. We solve three types of problems: fraud problems, compliance problems, and credit problems, and specifically the decision-making around those topics: stopping fraud, staying compliant, making credit decisions when you originate accounts and after you originate accounts, everything from loans to credit cards to checking accounts to brokerage accounts, et cetera. So one of the things that's been so interesting, and so again, like, because Alloy is fundamentally decision-making software for automating, making a decision about somebody, whether they're fraudulent or not, making a decision about whether somebody's a money launderer, or making a decision about whether somebody's a credit risk or not. We have a very wide application in a very narrow area. So when folks go, I'm going to answer the actual question, but just as a background for why I know this answer, when people actually go and facilitate the end-to-end decision-making process, inclusive of even if people go look at an application to do some sort of manual review, which we hope they don't have to do, but even if they do, Alloy facilitates that entire process from ingesting the external data, building the decision-making flows, building the steps the user goes through, providing case management around that, et cetera, et cetera. So one of the things that we are really dialed in on is exactly what are businesses, banks, fintechs, companies that you may describe some other way, but provide financial services, money transmitters, et cetera. What are they actually doing end to end today to stop fraud and say yes to good users and stop fraud? And is it working? We have like a really tight understanding of that because we see the entirety of the process, not just a part of the process.